Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Jay. I'm back again with more content, and today, as you see in the background, we got the carbon hood. This one specifically in honeycomb carbon fiber. So I'm going to show you what you need to do to install your OEM hood and put the carbon fiber hood onto your Toyota Camry. I was told that this is the easiest out of all three of the carbon fenders and the carbon trunk. This one's supposed to be the easiest. I never messed with it before, so I will be trying to figure things out for myself. So let's go ahead and get into it. So you guys can see, this is the carbon fiber hood and honeycomb carbon fiber. You can get it in regular carbon fiber, forged carbon fiber. You can get it in forged carbon fiber with flakes. You can get it in fiberglass and get it painted over. We got these cool little vents on the side right here. And this is what the back side looks like. You know, this is the cover from the OEM cover right here that we're going to be swapping over. It came with some bolts on top. Look like it's bolted down. You can see that little bolt right there. You got the hole for the hydraulics over here, and we're going to figure out what we need to do here. And you got obviously the wooden sticks to protect the corners of the hood. We're going to swap those over to my OEM hood and call it a day. So just a first glance of what I'm looking at. Obviously we're going to swap this over. We're going to swap this over. The brackets to the hydraulics. This, I'm pretty sure, is going to stay on. I don't even see a spot where you could take that off yourself. What else? And the most important part about this whole install is trying to get the water line to your washer fluid over to the next hood too. All right, so let's see what we got here. I know the hood or the hydraulics could support the weight of this hood. It is really heavy. So I'm going ahead and take off the bolts. Those do not look like 10s. They look like 11s or 12s. So over here, we gotta get this off. Oh, that was really easy. I squeezed that with my fingers. Wow. All right. Get this out somehow. Get a flathead. Oh wow. All right, well, I see that the water line is inside here somewhere, so we're gonna go ahead and tackle this first. Let's get one of these. This is probably easier. All right, so here's the cover. First time seeing this thing, is very dusty. All right, so the cover over here, the cover has to go back on, right? So just by looking at that, we gotta make the hose to put the cover back onto the car. We got this water line, right? We got this right here. That comes off. Okay. Right. All right. So cool. So it looks like we need to wedge this in here somehow. Yeah, I see why it's a pain in the butt. Because you gotta not bend it, but bring it down somehow. The other one's right here. All right, and we're gonna do the same exact thing. We're gonna pull it a little bit, push the side in first. I've never did this before, just letting you guys know. I'm just figuring it out right now. All right, and then take the line. Voila! I got the water line up. Now how to start back on is the question. What we got over here? What we got over here on this side is that big hole you guys just see me pour the line through. It's sealed up. So we're going to have to open that back up. What else? This is where the black pieces clip in at, right here. Yeah, we're gonna have to make a hole somewhere in this area on both sides so we could get the lines down into this area, because line right here, the brackets right here, and then put a line right here, stretch it across, put the line right here. Yeah, so hydraulics, the hole's already over there. I think we're going to have to create a hole for this part right here on the carbon hood. Yeah. And it's gone. Oh no, here's the hood over here, guys. So I needed two sets of hands to take that hood off, just because the other two people are incapable of using tools. Anyway, so I'm gonna take this off. This is still, I think that everything on the hood is a 12. So, yep, 12 it is, and it got grease all over it. Ew. Okay. Other side. Alright, so this thing right here, I doubt you need it, but if you want to be OEM or close as OEM as possible, let's go ahead and take this off. So what we're going to do is, instead of putting those pushings back in, I'm going to use 3M tape and slap this sucker right back on here. Just like that. These bolts right here are 14. Right here. There we go. Bolt. Perfect.
Probably could do it with smaller trails. I just want to be sure around it. A little more.
Hey guys, this is just another additional clip that I had to make for you guys at the time of the posting of this video. I just wanted to further explain a couple different things that I had to go through when I was installing the carbon hood. At the time when I was first installing, I really didn't know what I was doing. I was just trying to figure it out. As you see, I had my friend helping me too. So I just want to further explain a couple things for you guys to look out for when you're installing a carbon hood. So we'll go from there. All right. So the things I want to mention to you guys, first and foremost, is this part right here, the latch itself. As you see, I kind of had to make the hole kind of big. I was trying to figure it out, but this latch that comes with the hood, you're going to need to cut it down a little bit on the inside before you actually put it through. You're going to have to play with it because the length has to be perfect in order for it to go onto the latch, the actual hood latch itself. So your hood will be sticking up or not latching hard enough. The next thing I want to mention to you guys is the lining to your washer fluid. So you seen the video where we was making a hole right here. You got to make this hole right here bigger. You're going to need 2 little holes in this area for the line to go right here. You're not going to have it exactly how it was on the OEM hood, but this is how we have it set up right here. I put some zip ties on it, zip tied it to this. My actual cover isn't on here right now. I took it off for you guys so I can record this part. Other than that, obviously you want to make sure that these holes are here for those clips right there. The way I took it out, you don't really need to take it out that way. You can disconnect the lining from the actual clip and then easily take it out without no problem. Other than that, the carbon hood was pretty simple. I mean, you see these holes right here. I never had an issue with this. So if there's anything I can help you with when it comes to installing the carbon hood, please send me a message down below, a comment below, send me a message on Instagram, and we can go from there, guys. All right. And it is currently like -5 degrees outside, so that's why my nose is red. So stay tuned till next time, guys. Whatever the next video may be. Deuces.